Hey everyone! Welcome back to My Day My Choice. Today we're talking about something really special. Beautiful dresses for the mother of the bride that have lovely embroidery on them. These dresses look so elegant and can make the mother of the bride feel extra special on her daughter's big day. Embroidery is like fancy stitching that adds pretty designs to the fabric. It can be flowers, leaves, or other delicate patterns. These details make the dresses stand out and give them a touch of class. When you're picking out an embroidered dress, think about the wedding colors and the overall style of the wedding. You'll want a dress that fits in nicely without being too loud or clashing. Also, consider the time of year and the location. A light, airy fabric with delicate embroidery might be great for a summer outdoor wedding, while richer fabrics with more detailed embroidery could work well for a fall or winter celebration indoors. The most important thing is that the mother of the bride feels comfortable and confident in what she's wearing. There are so many different styles of embroidered mother of the bride dresses out there. You can find long, flowing gowns or shorter, more fitted dresses. Some have embroidery just on the sleeves or neckline, while others have it all over. The type of embroidery can also vary a lot, from simple and subtle to more intricate and colorful. Take your time to look at different options and see what catches your eye. Think about what kind of silhouette and fabric the mother of the bride usually likes and what would be most flattering on her. Don't forget to think about the other details that go with the dress, like shoes, jewelry, and a bag. You'll want these accessories to complement the dress without overpowering it. Simple and elegant jewelry often works best with embroidered dresses, as you don't want too many busy elements. Comfortable shoes are also a must, as the mother of the bride will likely be on her feet a lot during the day. A small clutch or handbag can hold essentials like tissues and lipstick. Choosing the perfect mother of the bride dress is a big part of the wedding planning process. It's a chance for the mother of the bride to shine and feel beautiful. Embroidered dresses offer a wonderful way to add a touch of sophistication and personality to her look. Remember to consider her personal style and what makes her feel good. After all, her happiness and comfort on this special day are what truly matter. We hope this video has given you some good ideas about embroidered mother of the bride dresses. It's amazing how a little bit of fancy stitching can make a dress so special. Keep in mind all the different styles and details we talked about when you're shopping. The goal is to find a dress that not only looks beautiful but also makes the mother of the bride feel fantastic.